Good morning students, welcome to the maths lesson number 18, congruence and similarity. In this lesson we are going to revise similar figures. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to examine whether two figures are similar and find the unknown angles and sides of similar figures. What are the similar figures? Similar figures are figures that have the same shape but may have different size. May have different size means they could have equal size. Size could be equal or different. In congruent figures, both size and shapes are equal. But in similar figures, shape is same but size could be equal and could be different. So every congruent figure is also a similar figure, but converse is not true. Here we have two examples of similar figures. Two cars are similar because their shape is same, size is different. Similarly, maps are similar because they have same shape but different size. Properties of similar polygons. Polygons are shapes with three or more than three sides. For example, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. If two polygons are similar, then all the corresponding angles are equal and all the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. In congruent figures, all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding sides are equal. But in similar figures, all the corresponding angles are also equal, but all the ratio of corresponding sides are equal in similar figures. Only difference is in congruent figures corresponding sides are equal, but in similar figures the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Example of similar triangle. We have two triangles in which all the lengths are given and all the angles are given. Angle A and angle P are equal because both are equals to 50 degree. Similarly, B and Q are equal, C and R are equal. So all the corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. Now we are going to check the ratio of corresponding sides. A is corresponding to P and B is corresponding to Q, C is corresponding to R. So side AB is corresponding to side PQ and side BC is corresponding to side QR and side AC is corresponding to side PR. So AB and PQ are corresponding sides and their ratio is the length of AB is 4 and the length of PQ is 8. Simplify the ratio, then we have 1:2. Similarly, ratio of BC and QR is 1/2 and ratio of AC and PR is 1/2. So all the ratio are equal. In similar polygons, all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding ratios are equal. Worked example 5. A part. Is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR? Explain your answer. We have to prove these two triangles are similar or not. First of all, we find third angle in both triangles by subtracting these two angles from 180. Angle A is 61 degree in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, angle R is 49 degree. Angle A and angle P are equals to 61 degree. Angle B and angle Q are equal to 70 degree. Angle C and R are equal to 49 degree. So all the corresponding angles are equal. If all the corresponding angles are equal in two shapes, then two shapes are similar. Because angle makes the shape. Since all the angles are same, so both shapes are same. So this is the definition of similar figure. Shape is same, size may be different. So both triangles are similar because all the corresponding angles are equal. Worked example 5. B part. In this part we have to prove these two triangles are similar or not. No angle is given. In this example we have to prove only by checking the ratio of sides. Largest side is corresponding to the largest side and second largest side is corresponding to the second largest side, and smallest side is corresponding to smallest side. ST is largest side in triangle STU and D is larger side in other triangle, and their ratio is 12:8, that is equal to 1.5, and second ratio also equals to 1.5, and third ratio, in which smaller side is corresponding to smaller side, is equal to 1.75, that is different from other two ratios. So all the corresponding ratios are not equal. If all the corresponding ratios are equal, then both triangles could be the similar. But in this case, all the corresponding ratios are not equal, so these two triangles are not similar. In this example, we have learned that if all the corresponding angles are equal, then two shapes are similar. If all the angles are equal, then both have same shape, so they are similar. Similarly, if all the corresponding ratios are equal, ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal, then again they have same shape, so figures are similar. Worked example 6. Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, calculate the value of unknown in the triangles. It is given in the question these two triangles are similar. So we will take the correspondence according to this statement. A is corresponding to P, B is corresponding to Q, and C is corresponding to R. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then all the corresponding angles are equal. X is the angle QPR. QPR. Q is corresponding to B, P is corresponding to A, R is corresponding to C. So this angle is equal to this angle. And angle BAC is 25 degree, so X is also 25 degree. On this page we are going to find the unknown sides. Since these two triangles are similar, so ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal. In this example, only these two sides are involved. These two pairs are involved, so we will take this equation to find the unknown value. Substitute the value of these sides, simplify the equation, then we have y is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Practice now 8. Question number 1. Given that triangle XYZ is similar to triangle XRS, find the value of unknown in the figure. We will take correspondence from this statement. X is corresponding to X, Y is corresponding to R, Z is corresponding to S. Since triangles are similar, so all the corresponding angles are also equal. Since triangle XYZ is similar to triangle XRS, so all the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is angle XSR. XSR. X is corresponding to X, S is corresponding to Z, R is corresponding to Y. So XZY, this angle is equals to 30 degree, so A is also 30 degree. Now we are going to find unknown sides. Since these two triangles are similar, so ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal. To solve the equation, to find the unknown value, we take these two ratios because in this example only these sides are involved. Substitute all the values. XR is equal to 4 plus 6 and XY is 4, XZ is 5 and XS we have to find. Total length, first we find the total length, then we subtract 5, then we will get B centimeter. Solve the equation. The value of XS is 12.5. Subtract 5 from the total length to get B. B is equal to 12.5 minus 5, that is equal to 7.5 centimeter.